The issue of Balaalo invasion can be sorted out by this message. Any message is here about Acholi Magian Chwako Balaalo. Balaalo mapo wilo ngom Maber ni wilo ngom kwar. Ana ini ngom mi meti meniti ke ni pe Megi. Ber ngom parutini. Dok solving gini nyo wek wiku yape karong pipu yape ki lok ka jwari oni chi wipu yape to lok pa jako Oulanyah mo lo United Nations General Assembly Youth Leadership kidong di Talfons Winjolo mo lo gang di ba patan ko primary school ma la yibi college utiyo non dilu any obe responsibility wa ngwa ko ngom twala bot jo magi honing ma jo ma honing no lo tero ma wa tan wala ki responsibility ne e wa ngom ke wi alata ye ngom ke le kilaro ko enen
the owners of this place, the owners of our subject, because they are the owners. What we have, the land we're cultivating, we're borrowed from them. Don't say, I inherited this land from my grandfather or from my father. The land you are cultivating, you did not inherit from your father or from your grandfather. You borrowed it from these people who are sitting, the people who are playing, those ones who are standing, the youth. Some of them are engaged there. They don't even follow what I'm saying. They are the true owner of the land which we call ours. We never inherited from our parents. We borrowed from them. If you borrow something from someone, you have a duty to return what you borrowed to that person in good condition. Isn't it so?
And I'll celebrate it with all of you. We have not inherited this world from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from the future generations. That has been said about our role to protect the environment and so many other things. As young people, as young leaders, that should be our focus.
Wana imira wa yile mengwa ngome. Wa ye eni pengomi Ngom pe Megi goes a fix a set Ngom. In fact, Ngom ka take policy me Ngom futi fake chalom Uganda. Economic policy futi fake chalom Uganda. There's no way me wan around kato Ngom chingamenda. We cannot trust the government with the land. Power around for developmental policies, new sustainable development goals, but what a country mukana cha USA, chala United Kingdom kimukana. Benjo tia aid in only countries any gichul gan unemployment benefit but citizens wana kan any Guinea any ben ke pay wakatamu pier ben town ka lon chi kelo pa kom gamanda mano pa dala chara kelo pa kom gamanda so until policies do Maber chi rama to Ngom kachi policies food pe labor policies still very poor. In fact, the China attack economy where food is still very far from median income. When you money circulation, get to you to tap it is very difficult. Omer wagwa Ngom, kiyo mo ken, Ngom betie. Kachi policy chango bi lake, kwa buwan ngamenda pa biro. Unyomea wiri nyomea ngatukene. Chi rang tu ke Ngom, piane no kwa food kwane. Piano tractors duong PM ki wel muduro erka pour wel muduro nyon tractor Ngom ci wiku wile to Ngom apoy
abira der wachon ki bo binule tong ki cholba